If you're looking for the perfect gift, this might be it. This is the Lovery Almond Milk and Honey Bath Gift Set, and it has, I believe, 8 or 9 different products in it, but it is just great. I love the presentation that it comes in this nice, beautiful golden basket, and it comes with, let's show you here, shower gel, bubble bath, body scrub, bath oil, bath bombs, bath salt, shower steamer, bath towel, and it's all made by Lovery. So they make some amazing gifts, and so you can check out their Instagram. But I was also checking out the reviews of this, and people do love their products. Just check out how huge these bath bombs are, and they look amazing. So I'm gonna be giving this to someone for Christmas this year. So if you have someone that loves baths, and who doesn't, this will be a great gift. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.